Pushes out.
Oh, Ride's a pro. Ride's a pro. Heating elements at the bottom, but it's also jacketed. A dialogue feature on it. It's an app on your phone.
Give you all your dates, times, temperatures. You'll add your ingredients all the way up to 85 degrees with the homogenizer. Now this is going to break it right down. Shelf life, consistency, the amount of air you want to get into your product. 300 litres of mix going through a tiny little hole. That's what's breaking everything down. And it's working at 150 bar of pressure.
The most efficient thing to do would be have 2 tanks. First one would be a bit slower, so it would go through the homogenizer, and then as it goes through the homogenizer, this one then heats up and cools down.
It'll take you an hour to then empty it. A 2-stage plate pack. Second stage, which will be cooled by chilled water. Coming in at 85 degrees, your finishing product will come out at 4 degrees. It's purely liquid. The base mix, which will go through to the raging tank. Sits at 4 degrees, add flavourings. There you've got a beater. You've got your hopper that you'd fill up with your chocolate chips, for example, then drop down the front of the fruit feeder into the pump, last spot. The doser will inject the ice cream mix. If you've got 100 litres of mix going in, keep this the same, and you can also change the speed of the freezer. Aging tank, prime the barrel with mix. We're now going to draw a mix in through the machine. When it gets to 5.4, we know the mix inside the barrel is ready to be used there, to get pushed out, and it's just a continuous flow. So that hot gas, stopping your product from getting too hard, and you leave it in the barrel, the more time it's got to freeze. Should be doing around 150 litres an hour. Our ripple will come from the ripple pump, just down this line, split in. We've actually got 4 bar of air pressure going into the unit. Compressor on, start freezing down what's in the barrel.
Pushes out.
Oh, Ride's a pro. Ride's a pro. Oh. Because you can't clap yourself.